Hello everyone, welcome to the second part of soft deleting. And in the previous video we successfully deleted our post, and this deleted at column is filled up with the date. So if you want to know that how we can delete using soft delete, so you can watch my previous video, and in this video we are going to display the soft deleted post. So let's go to the controller. It's a post controller, and for now we are displaying the post, simple post, right? So how we can display the soft deleted post? You may use trash method to retrieve this post, right? So with trash method is also available. So let's go here and implement this with trash, right? So let me first add this with trashed, and then I need to make this work for this with trash. And yes, let's click on this save and go to the web browser and give it a refresh. And yes, our posts are there, so it means that we are getting the post, right? So this is getting the post from temporary and permanently, right? So let me create a new post so you will understand that better. And yes, our posts are three. The two ones are soft deleted and the one is not deleted, right? So let's go here and give it a refresh. And yes, two posts having this column filled up, but one is null, right? So how we can display only soft deleted post, right? So there is a method only trashed, right? Now let me confirm it from the documentation. So documentation is very easy, and it's a good way to follow the documentation, right? So let me go there. Where it is, so let me find it. I think it's I already read it about it's only trashed, right? So let me put here only trashed and give it refresh. It will display only 2 records. Yes, it's displaying the 2 records. It means that we are now getting only 2 posts, right, which are, we deleted them soft deleted. So that's great. If you want to delete the post where you don't want to display them, so you can simply get them from there like this, give it refresh, it will display only 1 post. That's great. So hopefully you understood this step, and in the next video we can understand that how we can undo this delete, right? If I want to revert to them back, how we can do this. I will meet you in the next video. Bye bye.